but मैं ये बोलूँगा, मैं वो बोलूँगा. When I came here, I forgot everything. I written 4-5 lines, which I will tell. Okay?
Okay.
So let's start. I am from village, UP. So my grandfather has 10, 12 something, like trees of mangoes, like आम के पेड़ बहुत सारे. And when I was small, what I used to do, I was doing this. मतलब I was रुका था कि अभी आम गिरेगा, अरे पकड़ लूँगा. Now many time passed. Like every day I was coming, I was doing same. That I was coming, I was holding this. अभी गिरेगा, अभी गिरेगा, अभी गिरेगा. And वो गिरता ही नहीं था. और I used to be desperate. फिर से वही नहीं गिराया. So one day my uncle told me, my mama told, until and unless you don't jump on the tree, you don't climb the tree, you won't get the fruit. And then I didn't understand what he wants to say. But now when I hear the same line, that you won't get the fruit when until and unless you don't climb the tree, you won't get the fruit. What does it mean exactly is, like if I stand there whole day, whole night, that fruit will not come. But what if I go? What if I climb on the tree? And what if I try to break what if I try to make the mango and I can have that? As long as your life is, you are waiting for opportunities. Everybody, that there will be one opportunity. By that I will come on the stage or whatever, no matter only English, whatever. You are waiting for one opportunity that this will happen. Then I will do Kamala. You will do Amala. Nothing will happen. You have to start. One day God will not come in your dream कि हाँ, this is the right time now make videos. No, you have to start. You're getting it? If I would have still be there कि अभी आम गिरेगा, अभी आम गिरेगा, वो आम नहीं गिरेगा. I have to go there. I have to climb the tree. I have to nip the mango, and I have to eat. Same what you have to do. You have to take initiative first of all. Whatever, like how many of you don't want to be English confident? किसको English confident नहीं बनना है? सबको ही बनना है? सबको बनना है? होश में आओ. किसको बनना है? Yes नहीं, मुझे बनना है, ऐसा बोलो.
मुझे बनना है.
बस तो मैं. Okay. किसको बनना है?
मुझे बनना है.
तो उसके लिए the person who is coming on the stage वो तो मेहनत करेगा नहीं. आपको मेहनत करनी है. Like that, what is the name? I'm so sorry I forgot names. Ritika came. She said मैंने Silver Rush में 100 वीडियो बनाती थी. So by seeing her you will get motivated. हाँ ये कर रही है. But उस motivation क्या करोगे? What you will do of that motivation? I am giving motivation. Yes, very nice. I am motivating. Yeah, you are clapping. What is after that? What is the next step? The next step is you have to start doing. When I see Sandeep sir, like Sandeep Mashri sir, when he posts any video, तब आँख हो जाते हैं. हाँ अभी करेंगे. टाइटल भी होता है थंबनेल. आज नहीं तो कब, अभी करो. देख के मजा आता है. When I see 10 minutes video, okay, आँख लग गई. Like so confident. After half an hour, that motivation goes down. फिर क्या होता है? फिर कुछ नहीं होता. Like the people came, like I have come. The people are very talented. Like उनकी एज में, what is your age right now?
12 years. नहीं 11.
11. वो चलो. When I was 11, पूछो ना क्या किया था मैंने? When? किसने पूछा? Very good. When I was 11, I used to play goti, and the goti used to go in gutter. समझ गए सब? And she is speaking English. I am from Hindi medium. You know my goal, how much big it was. The people are speechless, like they are doing that much struggle. What we want to just have the initiative of everything, whatever they are doing. We just have to take an action, whatever we are doing. Like in my college, there was like who will give speech. And everybody sat that I will not give it. It was like 70 people crowd, 70 log who will give speech. And I was like, why to fear? Do they know me? No. Do I know them? No. The person who you don't know, why to fear of them? And why to fear? Like if अगर मैं speech खराब दूँ, like if I start there, I will give very bad speech. Do you have अंडा to throw me? किसके पास है? मेरे को मार के दिखाओ. किसके पास चप्पल है मेरे को मारने की? Nobody has. When you will come here, आप यहाँ पे आओगे, किसके पास होगा अंडा? No one will have. What you fear is, आप क्यों क्या डरते हो पता है? आप क्या डरते हो? आप यहाँ पे आते हो, आप सोचते हो कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे? मेरी स्पीच 10 मिनट बाद मुझे याद नहीं होती। मैंने क्या बोला मुझे पता नहीं होता, आपको पता होगा? नहीं। You are listening me, like take your hand, put on your chin, रखो। You are doing whatever you are watching at me. You will not remember what I have said. So what you have to do is, you have to come on the stage, you have to do anything, whatever you have to say, you have to try to convince people like do this, and you have to go. And this process will bring a confidence in you. This process is everything for learning English, because no matter how good English you know, if you don't know how to present, everything is waste. You know, like people who do PhD, people who do MBA, very good thing. But a politician who knows how to speak, that can create war. Am I right? It's so. I have big alarm, you know. मैं यहाँ पे रख दूँगा यहाँ पे. जब सब सो जाएंगे, ऐसा बजाऊँगा. Alarm बजेगा, टिंग 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 टिंग. Okay? So that politician जिसको बोलना आता है, can he create a war? हाँ बोलो यार. हाँ? 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 Okay, very first line पूरी हो गई. छोटी सी लाइन थी. What इसका मतलब क्या था कि आप एक्शन लो. Every day दिन आएंगे, दिन जाएंगे, लोग आएंगे, लोग जाएंगे. What will remain is you. Whatever you have done, that will remain. आप जो कर रहे हो वो बचेगा. If you are thinking हाँ मैं करूँगा, कल कभी नहीं आता. Have you seen कल? Have you seen tomorrow?
No.
But you have seen present, and you are watching present. You are living in present. So start doing things present, not in future. और एक दिन में ये कर दूँगा, एक दिन में कर दूँगा. Don't say I will do one day. Start saying I will do day 1. This is my day 1. I will start from this. I am doing this. I am giving speech. This is not my first speech. More than 200 speeches I have given. तो मैं क्या सोचूं कि हाँ स्पीच दे दिया, चलो 200 स्पीच मिला दी, अब बैठ जाओ सर पे. No, I have to keep again and again, because this is not something कि आपको आ गया तो आ ही गया. You have to always improve yourself. You have to just take actions. So do you take actions?
Yes.
Alarm. Will you take actions?
Yes.
जा alarm तू जा. अच्छा, very important thing I wanted to tell. I did not tell. मेरा नाम. No, what I wanted to tell you is, one day I asked God, I want a cake. Remember cake sheet. So you know what God did? God gave me some flour, maida there. God gave me some milk. God gave me everything except the cake. Cake नहीं दिया, बाकी सब कुछ दिया. बाकी सब क्या था? केक बनाने का ingredient. So when you ask to God, I want success, मिल जाएगा? But you will get the ingredient. You will get that. You will get that pain. You will get that journey. You will always face problems in the way of success. Like when you think I am going to do this right, and if you do this right, like if you are right on the way, many people will come and they will tell that you cannot do this. You know, when I was doing assignments, coding assignment, I was doing. I went to doctor, I went to lawyer. People used to say तेरे से नहीं होगा मत कर. So when someone say this कि तेरे से नहीं होगा, so they are not telling your limits. They are telling their limits. Are getting this? When someone says that you cannot climb the tree, so that person could not climb. That's why he's saying that you cannot climb. So don't believe on others. Believe on what you think. Believe what you can, because everybody is different. Is there someone whose name is Shyam Gupta? कौन है यहाँ से? कौन है? बताओ जल्दी बताओ. Whose birthday is 9th September? Right? You know? तुक्का मारना ना? Who has this watch? Yeah, watch from तुक्का हुआ. Who has this fingerprint? I am different. You are different. You are different. Everyone is different. So what you have to do is believe in yourself. Thanks so much.